case. Well, tonight questions still linger about a deal between the Prichard Water Board and its current water supplier, Severn Trent. The deal is the reason MAWSS says it cannot move forward with its voter-approved takeover of the board. Local 15's Derek Rose spent the afternoon trying to get some answers to those questions. Derek, what'd you find out?
Well, Greg, we know the biggest question was where is the new contract between the Prichard Water Board and Severn Trent? The board's chairman says don't look at him, ask the water company.
There is an interest in seeing the contract and that we would like to know what's in it
before moving forward.
Right.
Before MAWSS makes any move in its voter-approved takeover of the Prichard Water Board, it wants to see the deal between the board and private water supplier Severn Trent. MAWSS wants to know if it is legally bound to the terms. But the company and state lawmakers have had trouble getting the actual document.
We've heard that they signed it, that we've asked for a copy of it daily, and we have not gotten it.
I hadn't actually seen the contract yet, and that's definitely an issue, so we'll just have to see the contract first, and so that way we'll know exactly what we're dealing with.
Local 15 has also been asking for a copy.
We are one of their revenue sources.
Board Chairman Russell Heidelberg tells us he cannot provide one because Severn Trent has yet to agree to the terms. According to Heidelberg, what was approved just days before Tuesday's vote was an intent to renew the current contract, but with certain conditions. Heidelberg adds the board sent a contract offer with the changes to Severn Trent last month, and a spokesperson for the private water company did not return our calls for comment on the delay. So we went back to Heidelberg to ask for a copy of the offer to see what changes the board is asking for. His response, it is not in the board's best interest to make the conditions of the offer public. And when asked why Heidelberg cited the ongoing negotiation process, the only hint he would let on about the conditions was a compensation. The current contract is roughly $35 million, but Heidelberg would not say what new price the board asked Severn Trent to agree to. Greg?
All right, Derek, thanks. As